Everyone, it's the 5th of April, just after 7 a.m, and I've just sent the email. This is the video to go with it. So for new viewers, basically the layout we're looking at here, I've got a 10-minute chart, a 30-minute chart, a 2-hour chart, and a daily chart. And basically, if I just make this 30-minute chart bigger, what I'm thinking is an initial rise up towards the pivot at around the 6160 area. We've dropped off overnight, and obviously since hitting that 6,200 level yesterday, we've actually dropped quite a bit down to 6130 overnight, with a bit of a weak Asia session, and the DAX is off 200 from our 9901 entry yesterday as well, so quite a drop on that. Once again, the bulls really failed to break and hold 6200. And to be honest, that rise yesterday up to there is a little bit suspicious. It's either a short squeeze or a stop hunt or something like that, because generally it all looks quite bearish still. So not really sure what that was all about, but like I say, probably a stop hunt or something like that, which was a bit annoying, obviously, as it stopped out our short. But anyway, c'est la vie. So anyway, no point looking backwards, and for today, as I said, I'm thinking a bounce from this 6130 area up towards the pivot at 6163. We've also got the 30-minute coral here has gone red, so that would be the first touch of that around that area, so also another good shorting indicator. It can be quite good resistance to go on the first touch after the colour change. The moving averages are bearish on that, and we are below the 200 EMA yesterday. After we crossed above it, it did hold quite well initially at that 6155 area. Managed to get up to 6180, but then it's been dragged down overnight. So if I just look at the 2-hour chart, obviously with that rise up to 6200, it did go, the moving averages did go bullish for a little bit. However, the trend indicator, the coral line, remained red, which is why I've got a bit of a bearish bias still. And also with the overnight drop, the moving averages have crossed over, so they are back to bearish again, with resistance at around about 6155. So as I mentioned in the email, I think that 6150 to 6160 area is pretty good resistance and worth a short. So if I just make the daily chart bigger, we've got the green 20-day channel has actually started to head down now for the first time in a while. 10-day is level, slightly rising. Support, we've got the green coral line here, so 6106, something like that to start with, 6105.6. So there's a bit of support there, and we've got the 200 EMA, the orange line here, 6190 as resistance, and you can see we sort of dropped off that again yesterday. In terms of the RAF channels, 6250 and 6067 for the 10-day are the resistance and support levels. 6273 resistance on the 20, and 6038 support on the 20. I doubt we'll see those extremes of the 20-day channel, probably not even the 10-day channel today. But the fact the 20-day channel is starting to head down is, for the first time in a while, is looking a bit more bearish. So just to go back, so basically the 30-day, we've got that resistance there. If the bulls do break that 6160 area, then we've got R1 up at 6195, and obviously yesterday's high 6203. So that would be the next level of resistance to look for. Support wise, we've got S1 at 6120, and if the bulls break that, I think we'll be going down towards 6080 or 6085 actually, where the Bianca channels have some support, both the 10 and 20-day. So fairly simple, really, plan-wise at the moment. Short the rallies is what I'm thinking, and I think that certainly that 6155-ish area is a good shorting spot. So good luck, and hope you have a good day, and any questions, please email me. Thanks.